Welcome to Omniful, your comprehensive solution for warehouse and order management. Today, we're diving into one of our fundamental features, the default configuration in bulk upload. Let's get started. What is default configuration in bulk upload? The catalog setting for default configuration in bulk upload allows you to set default values for certain configuration parameters in the bulk upload sheet, used for creating stock keeping units. This feature is particularly useful when certain fields, such as weight, currency, or barcode, are left empty in the bulk upload sheet. Now let's understand how the default configuration in bulk upload feature works. Navigate to the Settings section on the dashboard and select the Catalog Settings tab. Click on Bulk SKU Configuration. Select the seller for which you want to set up the bulk SKU configuration and define the default values for weight, currency, and auto barcode generation. You can further select to use custom prefix value to 3-letter max or let the system generate it for you. After configuring default values, save the settings to apply them to the bulk upload process. Now go to the catalog, select SKU, and create SKU through bulk upload. Confirm your seller. Download a sample file. Fill in the necessary details. And upload the file. And create SKU. Cross-check the SKU on the dashboard. Verify the default settings values. And there you have it, the default configuration in bulk upload is completed and tested successfully, ensuring consistency in data, efficiency in SKU creation, and error prevention. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time.